This is Brittany with WTI, and this mini belt bag is a game changer. So comfortable, first of all, so easily adjustable. This material is just so comfortable to have on as this little crossbody belt bag, but I also love that it fits so much. It fits everything you can possibly need. It has a fun little secret pocket on the back. And especially if I'm going to be in the city, I love to put my wallet in that one because then I feel like it is the most secure because I half the time forget that pocket's even there to begin with. And then inside, not only does it have so much room, it has little pockets. It has 3 different mesh pockets that you can fit any cards or lip balm or anything, obviously, whatever you possibly need. But it just helps keep it organized in there so that you can easily reach in and grab whatever you need. It's so convenient. You never even have to take it off. You can keep it on, unzip it, reach whatever you need, grab it out, use it. You can multitask too, which is what's so fantastic because you do not have to have a hand for this or an arm or anything. It is just on you and it becomes one with you. It is so easy to adjust. And then whether I want it to be a little bit tighter of a crossbody belt bag so that it can like stay in a specific spot on my body, or if I want to use it as a belt bag around my waist, more like a fanny pack situation, whatever it is, it's so easy to adjust and I can switch it back and forth however I need to. I also love that this material never damages my clothes, so I can have it with my cute outfits. I have loved using it for all different activities. Whatever I'm doing, my belt bag comes with me. And that's my point of view.